Good morning guys, it's the 10th of January and it is cold. It's like really cold. The skies are blue, but the wind goes through you, and I mean goes through you. Right, so a couple of jobs to do before I do anything. First one is to apologise for last night's cock up, which basically we uploaded a video about yesterday, but the video we actually uploaded was a video from before Christmas. So that's being remedied as I speak, and yesterday's video is being uploaded right now. It's only when I went to have a look at it I thought, what? I didn't do a Claude Butler yesterday. So I apologise for that. That one will come down today and the new one will be up straight away. So don't forget to check back and have a look at that. Today I've got several tasks I need to get on with. The first one, if I pick you up and take you through. So the first one is we've got this bike here. But we're having real trouble trying to sell it, and it's a great bike. So what I'm going to do, I think, I'm going to change the wheels, because I think the wheels are putting people off because they're a bit tired, a bit rusty. So we're going to change the wheels on that one. But I've got a fair bit of social media to do this morning, so I'm going to get on into that. And then I will press record and you can watch when I actually get into doing something bicycle related. Cool. So I've just started doing something I haven't had a chance to do for ages, which is starting to price up and list on the website our tyres. So some of them have been done and have got tickets on, but some of them haven't, so I've been cracking on with that. And then so they're now on the website. So we've got a couple of Continentals, 3 WTBs, and then a couple of road tyres, a couple of Kenders and stuff. They start at £6. Have a look on our website at those. But while I was doing that, we got delivery. Oh wow. So Cell SMP have sent us some stuff. Our friends at Dill Glove have sent us some stuff for the shop, and we'll be reviewing some of their products very, very soon. So that's really kind of them. So I'm gonna get that open. I think I might do that now, and you can watch. So let's make sure. Let's get a knife. We love getting promotional stuff here. If you've got a brand and you want to promote it, send us your stuff. Products you want us to review. Oh, it's the wrong way up. Genuinely, which way is it? Oh, okay. Give me a bike, I can sort that out in minutes. Give me a cardboard box. And I don't know what I'm doing. Here we go. So we get. Oh! Some lovely SMP pens to give away. Some pencils. Banner, I think, and another, a nice bag full of bits and pieces, and some promo for the shop. Amazing. We love this sort of stuff because that can go up in the shop. Amazing. So what do we get in here? We get a bag. Promotional stuff. Amazing. That's the banner with things, I guess. Good morning, CycleRecycle. Hi Stuart, you alright? That's alright. Okay. Wow, that's a bargain. Yeah. No, to be honest, I haven't heard of them, but that's a cheap bike. Yeah. Yeah, that is a bargain. I think so. So what do you want to do with the one that you've left here? Yeah, no worries. Yeah. That'd be sensible. Just so you know, I'm not here Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. I'm going away for the weekend. Yes, I plan to. But yeah, so hopefully come in sort of next week sometime and pick it up. There's no rush. All right, mate. Cheers, mate. Ta-da. It never ever rings when I'm sort of not doing something. Okay, so we've got loads of promo stuff to deal with and to put up in the shop. So amazing. Thank you so much, Dilglove. Thank you so much, Cell SMP. Can't wait to get all your products and have a look at them, and we can get them reviewed for you. Okay, so I'm going to crack on and make and switch the wheels on this, hopefully, if they're the right size, and they're not, so I'm going to need to find some tyres for these, and the tubes just don't hold air, so we'll get this one so that it's all good. I don't know if you can see, our brand wall is starting to get quite full. Yeah, so we'll get the wheels off this one, put these donor wheels on, and then we've got ourselves a little bike, and hopefully it'll be a bit more saleable. Okay, this one's done. Real bit of luck because these are 27 1 1/4. The old wheels are 27 1 1/4 is what I'm trying to say. And I thought that the wheels I've put on were 700s, but they're not. They're also 27 1 1/4. So the tyres were perfect, just the wheels are just really tired. So it's pretty much been a straight swap and a quick go over to make sure everything's working as it should, and I'm pleased to announce that it is. So this one is done, this Sun Solo, ready for new pictures and relisting on the website. So I'm back from lunch, and I've done a couple of things since I've been back from lunch. Let me show you. So the first thing I've done is, I moved a bit too fast for the gimbal there, is all of these tyres are now priced. There's a few more priced, but I'm just going to basically work my way. It's really difficult to show you, so let me show you the better way. So up here we've got all of our tyres. The problem is not all of them have got price tickets on, and we don't know what we've got. What I want is, I want a database of all our tyres and them all to be priced so people don't have any surprises. So currently we're up to here with bikes that have got tickets on. There are some that have tickets on, but the majority of the ones behind here, but up to here they've all got tickets on. Let's see if I can show you that again. Up to here. So we've got all of that to do, plus there must be 100 tyres out the back as well, and I just want them all to be the same. That's my plan. So I've done that. I've got those up, the ones that we did yesterday, and shared them on social media. And then there's these ones that are going to be photographed and listed tomorrow. And then, so this afternoon, and I haven't got time to show you because I'll never get this video out, but I'm going to build a little kid's bike this afternoon. But my main priority is to get this bike built and get the shop tidied up and just go through my list of things to do. So have a lovely evening. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you tomorrow for the last video before I go on a nice weekend away.